Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to show you how to create these beautiful and easy favor tags. These tags are great for either printing onto sticker paper and adhering to a bag or box, or I'm going to show you how to create these as a hanging tag that you can tie to your favors. These are great for weddings, bridal showers, baby showers, birthday parties, or any event that you would like to give your guests a little memento from the party. We have a bunch of lovely designs available on our website, creativeuniondesign.com, or you can check out the selection on our Etsy shop. Once you have made your purchase, you can download the PDF, easily personalize the tags in Adobe Reader, and print. Editing and printing instructions are included on the PDF for easy referencing. I recommend using a 110-pound white matte cardstock, and I will include the links to all of the items I used in the comments section below. To trim the tags, you can use scissors, but I'm going to show you an alternative way with an X-Acto knife. You can start by laying your printed sheet on a cutting mat. Take your straight edge and X-Acto knife and simply trim away the excess. I have provided thin cut lines on the design so that you can easily trim. Once you have your tags cut out, you can take your hole punch and simply punch a hole in the top of the tag. You can use either ribbon or twine to tie the tag to your favor. So that's it! Now you have beautiful favor tags that your guests will love. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching and have fun designing.